See? Folks always just walking in the house. Like nobody knocks anymore, nobody rings the doorbell.
It's a revolving door.
Just come on in. Come on, knock on your door. Anyways, why do I always feel like I can just sing in front of this thing? Either way, I was obsessed with M&M McFlurries when I was in high school. So like my girlfriend at the time she would leave class early to go get them for me as a surprise sometimes. Always an M&M McFlurry. So, you already know what that big story means. We're gonna make McDonald's M&M McFlurries today. In your own house, in your own kitchen, on your own time. Right? Okay, let's go, Jason. Wait, where's my M&Ms? What? Oh, thank God.
I'm acting.
Can't have an M&M McFlurry without the M&Ms. I mean, an M&M a day keeps the doctor away. You know what I'm saying?
No one says that, but yeah.
Never made these before, so this should be fun. But I do know I need bowls. It's also my first time using my ice cream churner. All these basic things that everyone's buying during pandemic. I just can't seem to get over it. So you wanna first start with 2 cups of milk, half a cup of sugar. If there's too much sugar, I don't think it should be a bad thing. It was 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of milk. I'm just gonna start all over because nobody has time for this. Again.
1 cup of milk.
Still a half a cup of sugar, unless I got that one wrong too. There we go. 2 cups of heavy cream. Almost forgot my vanilla extract. Boop! And this is the first time I'm using the ice cream churner and I'm like, you know, what if this thing just isn't the cat's meow? What if it's not the cat's meow? Plug in your ice cream churner. We all know how to do that. Or like nothing opens. Help! I like locked it. So this is what happens when you buy things on sale. They just don't work. Jesus. Next time I'm not buying something on sale. So what you also have to do is freeze the insert for 12 hours. If any of you out there know of an ice cream churner where you don't have to freeze the insert for 12 hours, please let me know. I'll buy you a nice gift. This part's gonna be so easy. It's whisked, it's all combined. Go back in there. You pour it in, and it's gonna churn for 12 to 15 minutes. Go to your little home. Damn. Oh, look at that, Jason. I feel like a little kid at Baskin Robbins again. So yeah, so this will churn for 12 to 15 minutes until it gets like that, the consistency that you need. Then you, actually I could just take it out of the bowl and then you place it in the freezer for 30 minutes. Then that's it. And you take it out, take your lovely little M&Ms, fold them in, and then we're gonna eat it. And go enjoy our day, because it's 102 degrees outside. And LA just should never get that hot. It just shouldn't. It's a devil's work. So we're gonna pause, and we'll see you back in 15 minutes. Bye. Okay, it's been that 30 minutes. I know you've all been waiting on the edge of your seat. Woo. This looks about right, the consistency that you need. Just gonna do a little folding. Oh yeah, very nice. Can you believe I made this all by myself? Now you're gonna fold in your chocolate chips.
M&Ms?
Oh yeah, there you go, M&Ms. Had chocolate chips on my mind. I like to use a lot, but then sometimes people say it's not the same vibe. If that doesn't look pretty, I don't know what does, you know? Like just fold it in the ice cream, swish it around. I guess to be honest and to be fair, like I said, this is the first time I've actually made these. If this tastes like an M&M McFlurry, I said it before when I made the cheesecake, right? That cheesecake was quite phenomenal, it was pretty easy. I'm gonna be the size of a house. Since that video, I have gained 10 pounds. Part of my favorite is like when it starts to get like the rainbow swirls through, right? Because, hello, show off our pride at always. But it needs more M&Ms. There we go.
Stir them in my windshield
this brew. I got magic, alakazam, kazoo.
Make one for Jason too. I didn't say it was neat, but look at that. Come on. This is really fun because I wanted some sort of crazy effect. I'm gonna do green. Oh, looks like Christmas, but that's okay. Dip your spoon in. Mr. Jason.
Thank you.
It's for you. What if it doesn't taste good? I'm nervous like Christmas morning. Yes, it's 95% tastes just like it.
So this is the McBobby.
This is the McBobby. Ooh. That. That's all I have for you today. As the Backstreet Boys once said in 1998, all I have to give. They were trying to give love, trying to give you some sweets. If you enjoyed yourself, you know what to do. Hit the like button, comment, say something funny, charming, complimentary, subscribe, and ring the bell. And I'm gonna go in the backyard, eat this, pretend I'm working out. Until next time, bye.